Damn it. I cannot believe I got grounded for singing in class. What should I do? I have an idea. I am going to destroy the washing machine. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Let's do this crap. Alright. I'm in the basement. Now to destroy the washing machine. There. Look how perfect. That is right now.
Oh my god. What was that noise? Dark Luckytama, what did you just do to the washing machine?
Yes, I did.
Dark Luckytama, how could you destroy our washing machine? Now we need a new washing machine because of you. You're grounded for 16 weeks. Get out of my sight right now, and I don't want to see you again.
Okay, Dad. Sorry, Dad.